TikTok lives are important for a lot of reasons. One, it's just so highly engaging for all different kinds of niches. So, whether you're streaming, gaming, or DJing or music, if you're a musician or your business, like I literally watch people on TikTok. There's someone I watch make freeze dried candy, and I watch her like every single day, and she sells products directly off of TikTok Live. And this is why I feel like TikTok Lives are kind of superior to some of the other live streaming services. But just to kind of give you example of how we talked about consistency matters, let's go to the last 28 days. And this is my live history. So you can see how many views I've gotten, new followers from um, videos, diamonds, which are gifts that people have given. People find me from suggested videos mostly, and following, and then others, not sure exactly what that means, and then for you short videos. But like you can see when I started streaming consistently, which was roughly like 2 weeks ago, it went from total views of 50 and no followers and no diamonds, and just watch how it goes up and up and up. Not necessarily the diamonds, but the more consistent I got, the longer I did lives, the more the total views. Like this one was only an hour or so long. That was today and had 3,200 unique viewers. That's unique people coming through and seeing what I'm doing. And I'm just gaming. This is my personal account, not my business account. So I find that TikTok lives can be so important and so useful for so many different things. And the reach is insane. All you have to do is be very, very vigilant about having a schedule, whether it's Monday through Friday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, every single day. And make sure that you're going live for like over an hour each time and interacting with the audience. And that's all you really have to do. And so getting to the point where you can go live on TikTok, it depends what country you're in. In the US, to be able to go live on video, you can go live on audio, I think, at a lower, but like to go live, you generally need about 1,000 in the US. I know that's different in Canada, Australia, the UK, like it's different everywhere, but basically you want to build up your platform and then you just want to go live and you want to not get kind of bogged down or discouraged by low views because like I said, look, I started at 50 2 weeks ago and it just goes up, 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 up. It went down here, but that's because that was only a 23-minute live. My computer crashed, so I don't even really count that one. Up, up again. So highly suggest not only building your TikTok profile, but building your TikTok live content out.